Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. I hope all are doing well. Today I'm going to review Sorich Organics Rose Petal Powder. The quantity is 50 gram, price is 150 rupees. This product is available on Nykaa, Flipkart and Amazon. This is non-sponsored video. This is 100% pure and natural rose petal powder. The natural anti-inflammatory properties of rose petal powder can help to reduce the dandruff. Its stimulating properties increases blood circulation in the scalp and promotes the hair growth. When applied onto the face, it brings back the long-lasting glow and hydrates the skin. A unique solution for all hairs and skin problems. This pure rose petal powder is very good. Rose petal powder has natural cooling properties that soothe and calm the skin. It helps to brighten the skin tone, acts as an excellent exfoliating agent. Antioxidant properties of rose petal powder protects the skin cells from free radical damage, free from artificial additives and preservatives. This is made in India product. Here is my review. I have oily sensitive skin. This feels original rose petal powder. Clearly you can see it's not smooth but the coarse powder, rough to touch, but I just make the face pack, keep it aside for 5 minutes, then the face pack get ready to apply. Affordable one. I make face pack like add 1 to 2 drops of honey into the 1 to 2 teaspoon of this powder, and also sometimes I add besan and aloe vera gel, and for getting the perfect consistency I add the water, or if you have dry skin then you can skip water and add the milk in the place of that. Make the thick paste, then spread all over the face. Wash it with the normal water just after 20 minutes. Then proceed with the right moisturizer. Apply with the moisturizer which suits you the most. Do this twice a week. Can be suitable for every skin types. Male, female both can use this. I like this powder. No complaints. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.